When farming gets busy, RN tractor is your trusted partner.
The RN904 is equipped with a Yuchai high-pressure common rail engine, offering excellent fuel optimization and improved fuel efficiency.
Come and check this luxury cab.
The air-conditioned cab features noise reduction, an adjustable steering wheel, and an air suspension seat for a more comfortable driving experience. It's equipped with a 16F plus 8R gearbox, significantly enhancing operational efficiency. The RN904 comes with a double-acting cylinder lifter and Class 2 hitch,
Meeting the matching requirements for various implements and provides convenience.
With 3 sets of hydraulic outputs, it meets the operational needs of various implements like folding harrows and reversible plows, offering greater adaptability.
As wheat ripens for harvest, RN tractor would always shine on your farm.